Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm PokeJams, aka Jamie, and today we're going to be opening an Elite Trainer box, Rebel Clash, and a double V box, which is Champion's Path. I got both of these from Luke Hewitt at Rebel Games. Traded in all of my bulk for it. If you want to check his Facebook out, it will be in the description below. Last week's giveaway will be announced in the comments below also, and also in the original comments. This week is a Squirtle mystery bag. All you have to do is comment down below anything you want to win it, as long as it's not rude or negative. Keep it positive please, and best of luck to you all. We're going to start by opening up the double V box. Get a double V promo card, a jumbo version of it. Won't be putting it in the sleeve right now. And you get 4 packs of Champion's Path. And there's the code card. Let's get into our first packet. I don't know how the code cards are presented in this pack, so here's the code card. Oh yeah, it's guaranteed to have a holo or above in it. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We've got Darkness Energy, Team Yell Grunt, we've got Malamar, Hatchrim, Swablu, Carvanha, Glaring Laloon, a Weedle, Inkay, Professor's Research Holo Reverse, and a Zygarde Holo. Nice. Let's get that in a sleeve. Let's get into our next packet. Hopefully I can get something better than a holo this time. Last time I opened these, all I got was holos. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Water Energy, Liepard, Turffield Stadium, Malamar, Inkay, Hatina, Trubbish, Kakuna, Purloin, Reverse Holo Kaboo, and a Machamp. Champion's Path, they call it. There's in a sleeve. Into our next pack. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Grass Energy, Rotom Phone, Beedrill, Hop, Swablu, Hatina, Galarian Lanoon, a Pokeball, Scraggy, ooh, a Reverse Holo Energy, and a Professor's Research. Let's get this both in a sleeve. I love the shiny energies. Let's get into our last pack of Champion's Path, and then we'll get into the Elite Trainer box. There's code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got fire energy. Come on, where are you, Charizard? Hyper Potion, Sharpedo, Liepard, Roly-Coly, Trubbish, Vulpix, Swablu, Carvana. Ooh, another shiny Steel Energy, and the Galarian Obstagoon. Very nice. Let's get them both into sleeves. Can't believe we managed to get 2 reverse holo shinies. Nice. I mean energies. Now let's get into this. You get a book, mostly showing you about the cards you can get in the set and stuff. We're after some of these. Give you a quick look what you get in the box and then open the packs. Get a little player instruction guide. Some more sleeves. There's the code. Some energies. Get some card dividers. Damage and poison counters. There should be 8 packs Rebel Clash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And last of all, some dice. So let's get into our first pack of Rebel Clash with a Rillaboom on front. I've got quite a lot of Rebel Clash from my set now. Oop. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Darkness Energy, a Fairlynx, Masquerain, got a Nugget, Galarian Corsola, Binacle, Cypher, Vullaby, Dreepy, Reverse Holo Training Court, and a Diggersby. Get into our next pack with Toxtricity on the front. Once these packets are being weird. Ah, there you go. I was gonna damage the packs. There's code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Grass Energy, got Scoop Up Net, Heracross, Electrode, an Impidimp, Magmar, Electabuzz, Squovet, Snover, Reverse Holo Toxel, and Barbaracle. Nice. Let's get into our next pack with Inteleon in the front. There's the code card. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Electric Energy, Shuckle, Dan, Twin Energy, the Timple, Trubbish, Helioptile, Honedge, Litwick, Reverse Holo Medicham, and Hatterini. Holo. Let's get the holo in the sleeve. Let's get into the Score Bunny pack. There's the code card for that pack. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Fighting Energy, Horror Energy, got Heatmore, Morpeko, very cute, Meditite, Grubbin, Electabuzz, a Natu, Honedge, Reverse Holo Applin, and a Toxtricity V. Very nice. Let's get him in a sleeve. We've got 4 more packs remaining. Let's get into the Score Benny pack. There's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Water Energy, Wolocha, got a Morgram, Medicham, Magikarp, Meditite, Stunky, Grubbin, Wingull, Stunky Holo Reverse, and Galarian Weezing. Look at him with his top hat and his green mustache. I love this Pokemon very much. Let's get him in a sleeve. I also needed him for my master set, so that's good. Let's get into our next pack. There's code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Darkness Energy, Orlina, Twin Energy, Heliolisk, Surskit, Magikarp, Meditite, Milcery, Growlithe, Reverse Holo Coughing, and a Dragapult V. Very nice. I'm not sure if I have this one or not. I know I have the VMAX version. Let's get into our second to last pack magic. There's code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Lightning Energy, Luxio, Durant, Polisand, Galarian Yamask, Applin, Hatina, Arcuda, Galarian Meow, Reverse Holo Pulpitoad, and Garbodor. Let's hope we can get some last pack magic with this Toxtricity pack of Rebel Clash. Let's find out. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Grass Energy, Hattrem, Pokeball, Lampent, Litwick, Shinx, Rolycoly, Applin, Hatina, Reverse Holo Shinx. Ooh, we've got a Full Art Trainer Sonia. Very nice. Let's get that in the sleeve. So let's have a look of all the pulls we've got so far. We've got the Full Art Sonia, Dragapult V, Galarian Weezing Holo, Toxtricity V, Hatterene Holo, Energy Holo Reverse, Holo Galarian Obstagoon, Holo Reverse Water Energy, Professor's Research Holo, Machamp Holo, Zygarde Holo, and here's the promo Dubwool V. This has been PokeJams, and if you want to trade in your bulk, go to Luke Hewitt at Rebel Games. It will be in the description down below. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye.